is. It took me a while to get to this. I be forgetting about stuff sometimes. But someone requested to me to do the NBC World of Dance Les Twins performances. So here go week 1. I've already seen this before, but I never get tired of watching these two. So without further ado, here we go. This performance also put me onto this song, I ain't gonna lie. That shit weird. It's not weird, but them being that in sync and being twins is trippy. I remember I seen that part for the first time. I was like, boy, what the fuck? See, I wish I could have reacted to it back then, but I ain't had the equipment. You know what I'm saying? I ain't had the equipment. I don't even know how they move like that, bro. I be done pull something in every part of my body. The people reaction in the crowd had me dying. Strong torso muscles for sure, yeah. One of them be like doing all these spins on his ankle. Bruh. Ain't no way in hell. But them honestly my favorite dancers to watch. I don't think they do like shows. At least not like World of Dance no more, but I be seeing they be doing like workshops and shit. Fire. Kaylee, what up? But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this one. Make sure you leave a like, comment, share if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new. That was a short one. I maybe should have did them all in one video, but oh well. Oh, my day good, Lindsay. I don't know if I responded to that, but my day good. Thank you for asking. See you on the next video.